Hello, Cyclones. Thanks for spending some time with me today. We need your help. We need to stop cyberbullying in our school. First, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of electronic devices to send harmful or threatening messages. The act of intimidating or threatening someone through technology. It can be used on cell phones, computers, or tablets. It's the use of social media, text message, chat, and websites to intimidate or hurt another person. Here's some examples. Posting rumors or gossip about an individual, posting pictures or videos about an individual, sending humiliating messages, or sending sexual images of an individual. The effects of cyberbullying on individuals: first is depression, poor grades, drop in grades, students become mentally traumatized, and last is suicide. Cyberbullying happens at school, home, and can happen to anyone. Why are students bullied? Why are they bullied through the cyber? First of all is appearance, intelligence, race, financial status, and religion. How can you help stop cyberbullying in our school? First thing you can do is report it. Find an adult and report it. Next thing you can do is take a screenshot. If you see something, take a screenshot and tell an adult. Tell the person to stop, demonstrate care, show that you care about the individual, don't encourage it, and use safe to tell. Pueblo West High School's rules regarding cyberbullying. First of all, our motto is respect, a way of life at Pueblo West High. Our rule is we have zero tolerance for cyberbullying. You can make a difference. Be a role model, don't allow it to happen, and use safe to tell. Here are my resources. Thank you.